Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about Apache Kafka 4.3.0 software download and installation on Windows 11 operating system. So for this video, prerequisites are Java 17 must be installed. So in Apache Kafka official documentation I verified must be either Java 11 or 17 or up to support is provided 23 version. So mostly it is recommended to you to use the Java 17 version. I will you to prefer to use the Java 17 version. So let's get started. This video I am divided into three parts. So like Apache Kafka installation, prerequisite setup, Kafka setup. So let's get started. So today our topic is Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka. So I said right, I will divide this video into three parts. Apache Kafka introduction, one, second one, prerequisites. Prerequisites, prerequisites. Third one, Kafka setup. So prerequisite setup. Okay. Coming into first. So what is Apache Kafka? Apache Kafka, an open source distributed event streaming platform developed by the Apache Software Foundation. Apache Software Foundation developed by the Apache Software Foundation, but right now it maintaining by some other company. So that I will explain in future video. So I will make series of videos in that I will explain. It is written in Java and Scala. Both these two languages are used to develop for this Apache Kafka software. So Apache Kafka is a software platform which is based on a distributed streaming process. So streaming process port point, it is a publish hyphen subscribe messaging system which let exchange of data between applications, comma servers and process as well. So so in this video I will explain about these 4 points. Later videos I will go in depth about Apache Kafka introduction, right? So I will repeat one more time. Apache Kafka introduction. So Apache Kafka, an open source distributed event streaming platform developed by the Apache Software Foundation. So now it is maintained by some another company. It is written in Java and Scala. So Apache Kafka is a software platform which is based on a distributed streaming process. It is a publish subscribe messaging system. There is another system is there, right? Point to point. something another system is there. The system we will use in active MQ like that. Yes. So messaging MQs, right? So Apache Kafka is the advanced MQ, publish and subscribe. So it will exchange like point to point means like one consumer, one producer, one consumer. But here one producer, multiple consumers like that, right? It is a publish subscribe messaging system which let exchange of data between applications. Between applications means two Java applications, one Java application, one Python application, etc. Servers process as well, right? So second one, prerequisites setup. So JDK 17. JDK 17. So right, JDK 17 or Java 17. Download link. So open the Chrome browser. So open JDK, search for the archive. Archive, enter, click on post link, scroll down. So Java 17. This I will download 17.0.1. So this is the path. Download path. Left start the download. So Windows 64-bit zip file. So meanwhile, I will add some more points here. So node point, node point, you need admin access to edit environment variables. Why I am saying like this? So suppose you are working in some company, you are using that laptop. You want to install in that laptop. So this Apache Kafka post we need to we need to set up that environment variable. There you don't have any permissions. In companies, you will have the only user access, not the admin access. That time what you need to do, you will need to request the admin like network person for access, and you can justify the business justification. You need to provide like I need the software. So I need to change multiple times environment variables. I need to store some files in C drive. I need to store, delete like that. I need to do multiple activities. So I need a access like that. You need to justify. So here you need admin access to edit environment variables, right? So user variables. There are two types of variables. So go to edit the system environment variables. Environmental variables. See user variables for Kara system variables like user variable specific to single user. System variables means all users. So let's close this user variables. In user variables, what we need to do? So up to up to bin bin we need to set where we need to set here path will be there. In path we need to set and so next system variables. In system variables up to JDK we need to set where we need to set Java underscore home. The Java underscore home must be capital letters underscore, otherwise it will not work. So so after after setting environment variables, we need to check setup working or not. For that, for Java space hyphen version, right? Let's so download is completed. Go to the show in folder. So show in folder. Control X cut. Go to D drive. There is a software folder. Let's make a new folder here. So like Java 17. So Java 8 is there, 17, 21, 17. Control V, right click, so more options. So 7-zip extract here. So go to pin this path where I need to paste here user variables up to pin up to pin I need to paste. So go to environment variables. This is the user variables, right? So new one. So this not new one here. Path is there, right? Edit new one. After that move to top. So first if dot is not there in our environment, you can add. These are optional but recommended if you want to. Dot means current directory. So I move it to top. Okay. So here new one in system variables. In system variables new. So Java underscore home. So up to say up to JDK. So back up to JDK means here. Up to JDK. Up to JDK. Okay. 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 Open CMD command prompt. So Java hyphen version. So Java hyphen version. It is working fine, right? Above spelling is wrong. That's why it is. CLR. Close this command front. Must close this command front. So we added dot, right? Some node points. Node points. So dot means dot means current directory. Current directory. So ctrl plus C to exist CMD if you want to come out then. So prerequisite setup also done. So Apache Kafka setup is pending. See Java 17 we are downloaded and installed. So user variables, system variables. After that we are verified. Some note points we note down. Now Kafka setup, right? So host point download link. So close this tab. Kafka Apache Kafka download. Apache Kafka download, enter this link apachekafka.org. So the latest version is 4.3.0. So 4.3.0. So which software we are now installing? Apache Kafka 3.4.0. 3.4.0, right? So let's add a download link here. This is the download link. What we are downloading? So this way need to download. Binary downloaded. Binary we need to download. So this one we need to download. So it is started downloading. So check upgrade nodes. So here check upgrade nodes. If you click upgrade nodes, scroll down. So there are so many nodes. Java related will be there. If you not one, you can control F, type the Java. So enter. See the minimum Java version required by clients and Kafka Streams applications has been increased from Java 8 to Java 11, while brokers connect and tools now require Java 17. So for Kafka streams and clients require up to the Java 11. For brokers require up to the Java 17. Now Java 23 support has been added in Apache Kafka 4.0. So it is better to use the 17, right? So it is download also completed. Click here. So go to the folder in uh, Control X, go to D drive, Control V. Here itself you can extract here. So try to reduce the path, this path, Kafka 4.3.0. Yeah, as possible as try to reduce this path, right? So let's remove the this one TGZ. Kafka will be there, right? Inside Kafka, another Kafka. So Kafka will be there, inside Kafka, another Kafka will be there. So this path, very, very important, this path as possible as reduce it. Otherwise, we will get some path too long, such errors. So as possible as reduce this. This is fine, I think. So now check upgrade nodes here. We are verified. We found the minimum required 11 for the clients and Kafka streams, and for brokers we need 17. 23 support also given like that. We understand, right? So now point B. So environment environment variables. So two are there, right? User class system. So environment variables two are there, user and system, right? Now user variables user variables up to like bin slash, go to the Apache Kafka Windows bin slash Windows up to we need to configure. Like under only Windows only, here we need some bat files, bat like Kafka topics, Kafka storage, Kafka server start, consumer, like Kafka Kafka control producer. These are the area. This bin Windows folder is required for us. Config we need like server properties here. Some changes we need to do. So user variables up to bin slash we need to pass here. This is for the path. So go to the bin Windows. Copy this. This I need to mention the. So now go to environmental variables. Edit environmental variables. Path. Edit. New. Move to up to here. See, these are the two times are there. Maybe I added earlier as well. So just delete this one. Two times. Must not two times, must be unique. So just now this is added, right? This one. Now Kafka bin Windows. Okay. This is the done. Java home, right? Like we need to mention a Kafka home. So we need to mention a Kafka home. Now after that system variables. System variables, user variables, right? System variables. Now up to here go Kafka. Up to this Kafka. So up to Kafka. So it is Kafka underscore home. So path this one. Go to up, same node applicable. you need admin access to edit environmental variables. Here also same note applicable. So now copy this path, go to new Kafka underscore home. Spellings must be careful, otherwise it will not work. It will create so many problems, right? And make sure no spaces in folder names. This will create a lot of issues later. So done, right? So it is done. Third point here, checks are not required. Like Kafka is setup is done or they are not required. So like usually we can test like, so command prompt. So both Kafka hyphen topic hyphen bad hyphen hyphen. We can also check like this. So accept not found if it is coming anything error also it is fine. It is working fine. So the Kafka hyphen. So let's check topic or topics. Go to D drive Kafka. So bin up to this folder where I added, right? Scroll down topics, not topic. This means it is not working. It is not like setup is not done properly. Environment setup is not done properly. So this is topics. So see something is coming, right? This means it is successfully configured. CLS setup is done. It is not showing like not found like that, right? So done. That check is not required. If you want to, you can include in server dot properties in server dot properties file. So config folder server file. So server file in server dot properties file where it is available. So under config folder properties file. So so what needs to do after this line? This line means I will show go to the so pack config. This is the server dot properties, right? So more options. Open with notepad. Scroll down. This after this one. So after this, add to this also we need to add like controller QUORUM instead of bootstrap servers. Instead of bootstrap servers, waters VO. So we need to mention VO TERS 1 at the rate of localhost 9093. That's it. So this we need to update. Another change also required in this same file. So control S, control F. So you can type like log. Here this one. Here we need to do. So copy this one. Port point in server dot properties file in server dot properties file under in server dot properties file under config folder server file, server file. So change log.dars path. This path we need to change to command existing path. First we need to command existing path. So this is the existing path, right? We need to command. After that, so add this. We need to command that. We need to add this. So what I will add C colon. That's it. I'm not doing anything. C colon. So here, this is the commenting. I'm adding new one. Control S. Close this. Fourth point done. Fifth point. So create logs folder in C drive. C drive. When only if log folder not available. So let's check in C drive any log folder is available. Go to C drive, see any tempo. It will start with tempo. Not there, right? This folder tempo care after combined logs. It is not there, right? So simple this we need to create. This one we need to create. Take this tempo. Go to C drive, new folder, tempo. Inside the tempo, take this care out combine logs. Any name, our choice, but same name only I am giving. But don't give spaces. Spaces, it will cause the problems. These are three words, right? Care out, hyphen, combined hyphen, log. Don't give removing hyphen symbol and giving the spaces. Definitely it will cause the problem. So don't do that. Don't do that. So F. So run run this command to get cluster ID. So while running this command, you will feel like it is failing, but it is not failing. It will generate one ID. We need that ID only. Don't think it is failed or passed like that. So close this CMD. So go to Kafka config folder, right? We need to go to bin Windows. See, some Kafka storage command will be there that we need. Kafka storage.bat. This we need. So up to bin/Windows I already added. That's why I'm not going in the by using CMD. I'm not going like this. Up to this folder. Up to this folder is available in environment variables. It is global scope. Like global scope means visible to the global. The entire system we can access. So now spellings carefully check Kafka 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 hyphen storage dot bat space RAN random DOM hyphen single hyphen only. Remember UUID. It will throw one error and it will generate one ID. We need ID only. Ignore the error. So this ID only we need. Ignore the error. After that, so copy this command. This command we need. After this command, so a cluster ID will be generated, a cluster ID will be generated. Copy and save it for the next step. For the next step. So we need to copy, right? So let's copy this one. Control C, Control V. G, right? So G. So format format log file. Format log file. Storage path. So storage path. Here I need to explain one thing. Go to C drive. See, we are created temp and Kafka combined logs. What is the combined logs? What is the meaning? I will show. So, zookeeper is removed, right? When zookeeper is available, the temp C temp Kafka logs, zookeeper logs. Two will be there. Kafka log, zookeeper log. That's why it is named like combined logs, right? See, when zookeeper will be there, that zookeeper properties will be there. We need to start like so. Zookeeper need to be start after Kafka. We need to start after the topic. We need to create producer. We need to start consumer. We need to start. If we are following through commands, this is the process, right? So I'm closing format log file storage path, right? Now same copy this one. So this one Kafka storage dot bat. Remove this format. Check this spelling carefully. Format hyphen T. Here we need to mention this cluster ID. We need to mention the cluster ID hyphen C. After that, so server dot properties. So where the server dot properties are available, D drive, Kafka, config, config, server dot properties. So more options, properties, path will be there. Go to security. This is the path. It is recommended to copy like this. If you are trying to add, you may miss some of the spellings, capital, smalls, like that. It may create the issues. So after that, hyphen, ignore, hyphen, formatted. What that mean? Hyphen, ignore, hyphen, formatted. What that mean? That means in C drive temp folder, under temp folder, this care of combined logs. If any logs are there, we are saying just ignore. Otherwise, if logs are there, suppose if logs are there here I not mention this, then it will throw the error. It will throw the error. I am saying if any logs are there, just ignore, don't create the folder. Like that. So Control C, so Control C, Kafka storage dot bat. Here onwards we need Kafka storage dot bat format hyphen T. Check T only, right? This is the cluster ID hyphen C. So in D drive only. So this is the server dot properties available. This is the ignore related. So enter. So formatting metadata directory with metadata version. It is showing something. It is done, right? So it is done. After that, H. So what is the H? Start. Start Kafka server. Start Kafka server in care mode. So This is the post CMD. This is the we need to use post CMD. So for this, copy this one, Control V. So Control V, remove this as well. So Kafka hyphen server hyphen start, Kafka hyphen server hyphen start dot bat. So space on tab space. So this is server dot properties. Up to this copy. So clear screen CLS. So Kafka server start dot bat. This is the server properties location. Enter. So it is the critical part. See, Kafka server started. This we need to verify. This is critical part. So after that, so so we need to create a topic, right? Create a topic. So create a topic. Topic contains partitions. Topic contains partitions. Replica factor, etc. etc. Right? But these I am not mentioning. Just I am creating topic only. Further videos we will explore all this. So now, do you know Kafka which port is running? 9092. Kafka is running, right? So here Kafka topics.bat. Kafka hyphen topics.bat. This is not required. Check spelling carefully. Kafka hyphen topics.bat. Hyphen create. What needs to create topic? Hyphen topic. Hyphen topic. Topic name. FSD hyphen topic. FSD topic I want to create. So I need to mention bootstrap properties. Hyphen boot. STRAB bootstrap hyphen server. So where it is running localhost 9092. Localhost colon 9092. This is the create a topic. So Kafka hyphen topics.bat hyphen create hyphen topic. Topic name hyphen boot STRAP bootstrap hyphen server localhost colon 9092. This is the command. For this we need a new, otherwise second CMD. We need a second CMD. One is running the Kafka server, it is running. So we need to take another one, enter. So create a topic, a first topic. Ignore this error, ignore this one. So topic, create a topic. This is so now CL. Let's clear screen. This is done. Copy this one. Now EFGHIJ. So this is the I, this is the J. Check here. Now create producer. Create producer. So second CMD, same CMD. Command prompt we want to use. So Kafka console producer. Check if you want. So D drive Kafka bin Windows. Here we are available Kafka console producer. This one. So here, what is Kafka consumer? Check the spelling. Not consumer. Conjure. Conjure. Kafka hyphen CONSOLE. Conjure. Conjure hyphen producer dot bat. Kafka hyphen. Kafka hyphen consumer hyphen producer producer dot bat. Producer dot bat. Create is not required. Hyphen topic. Hyphen topic. It is already created a first topic. Post of server. So Kafka console producer. Kafka hyphen console hyphen producer dot bat hyphen topic. Topic name hyphen post of server. So localhost 9092. Copy this one. Control C. So it is second command front. Enter. So it is always listening. See, it is blinking. That means listening mode. Ignore this error. So I will send some messages. Welcome to first day hyphen interview. Suppose capital interview hyphen guide. This YouTube channel. Send. One message I send, right? So next one. So producer is there. What about consumer? K. Final step K, right? Create consumer. Create consumer. This is for the third CMD. So Kafka conjure. It is the so conjure consumer. Consumer. So CONSUMER. Consumer. Kafka hyphen conjure hyphen consumer dot bat hyphen topic name. So post of server localhost. So I want all messages. I already one message is sent. It is waiting at topic, right? Receiver is not at received. Consumer is not at received, right? So I am saying I need all messages from this structure. For that, hyphen from hyphen from hyphen beginning. Spellings are careful. From hyphen beginning. This is the command beginning. So third one we need, right? So let's minimize this one. We will do some exercises here. Open another CMD. Command front. So yeah, this is new CMD, third one. So Kafka consumer dot bat hyphen topic name already created. So hyphen from hyphen beginning post of server localhost 9092. Enter this message. Whatever this message must be. So see here. Welcome to a first interview guide. Forgot about this error. This is when it is received, right? It is a see now it is a producer. So producer. It is a producer. Now it is a consumer. It is a consumer. It is a consumer, right? So see, I will send some messages. See how it will be received. So now thank you for subscription. Thank you for subscription. So enter. See, thank you for subscription. So We are successfully fully done this video. We are successfully done this video. See, we have successfully done this video. So follow me for more videos. Follow me for more videos. See, follow me for more videos. This is the producer. So, so it is a producer. Producer is sending messages. So producer, right? It is sending continuously messages. Producer is sending continuous messages. So it is receiver. Consumer is a receiver. It is receiving continuously messages. For the welcome to Apache interview guide. It is received. After that, thank you for subscription. It is received. After that, we are successfully done this video. Received. Follow me for more videos. Received. So these are the messages are received. So producer is sending the messages, consumer listening for the messages. So this is the complete video about Apache Kafka 4.3.0 software download and installation on Windows. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.